Everybody, are you ready to make an incredible underground journey through the Rome of Imperial Age? Let's do it! A few steps from the Trajan's Forum, during the renovation works in 2005, between 5 and 7 meters below Palazzo Valentini, a 16th century palace, an extraordinary archaeological area was found. It consisted of two patrician residences from the 4th century AD, with a private spa. This palace belonged to influential families of that time. Over the centuries, the original appearance of rooms has been modified by medieval and Renaissance walls. These walls, however, allow the reconstruction of an important element of an ancient topography of this area. You can see the ancient mosaic floor and digital reconstruction of it. The wall structures, rooms, baths, decoration and furniture are reborn and give a possible to make a virtual journey inside the Imperial Rome house. In the time of the Second World War, in this place was made a bunker that had to protect from the air attacks. Different eras met in this place: ancient Rome, Renaissance, and the time of the Second World War. It's difficult to make a normal photos and videos here because of the full darkness and because flash photos are forbidden here, but this place is really recommended to visit.